In this video, I want to talk about our automated maintenance capability inside Modeler. Now, what we have seen within a lot of testing teams is that maintenance is becoming a significant bottleneck within a lot of organizations. Within Modeler, we now have an auto maintenance feature that can update and auto repair your test cases, automation and data to help you remove the testing bottleneck that test maintenance introduces. We are inside Modeler, and you will see here a business process we have for a loan application. And within this loan application, we either end up with a loan accepted or a loan rejected because of the various scenarios we go down. Now, I can perform a generate here, and that is going to create for me a test suite. And you'll see we've got 29 paths here. Each of these paths represents a different scenario and a different way I can work my way through applying for a loan. Now, we can change the structure of our model here. We can remove elements, we can restructure it. Let's say we no longer support a loan for consolidating debt, so we can remove that. And we can also adjust here where if you are applying for a mortgage, which potentially is an asset-backed loan, we will go directly over to being able to apply a loan offer instead of going through looking at a credit score. So we can hit save here, and what that is going to do is go away now and identify paths in our model which have been impacted by the change we made. So we'll see here against a lot of our paths we have model change and the path's been invalidated. That has made available our automated maintenance capability. We can come in and select that, and what that will do is go away and try to repair the paths we have to make them valid again. And you'll see here we have several paths which were unchanged because they were unaffected by the model modification that happened. We have several paths that have been repaired, and we have one path that has been deleted here. So let's come in and take a look. We'll see some of those repaired paths and how they now flow through the model. We can also come in and we can view our coverage here. And what we'll see is that we have 98% node coverage and we have 70% in out. What we can do is obviously our coverage has dropped since this modification was made. We can come in and hit this improve coverage button. And that is going to go off and look at how we can improve the coverage we have with the test suite which has been defined. And we're now able to hit 100% coverage with all of our blocks covered by different test cases we have produced. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to learn more about Curiosity Software, visit curiositysoftware.ie.